In today's video, I will teach you how to turn a colored image into black and white using Photopea. Let's get started. First, launch Photopea and open your image by clicking File, then Open, and selecting the image from your device. Now we're going to desaturate the image. With your image layer selected, simply go to Image, Adjustments, then Desaturate, or press Ctrl-Shift-U or Command-Shift-U on Mac. This will instantly remove all colors from your image, making it black and white. An optional step is using the black and white adjustment. For more control over how different colors convert to grayscale, go to Image, Adjustments, then Black and White. A panel will appear with sliders for red, yellows, greens, cyans, blues, and magentas. You can adjust these sliders to fine-tune how much each color transforms into black and white. This allows you to make certain areas brighter or darker depending on the original color. An optional step is adding contrast. To enhance the black and white effect, simply go to Image, Adjustments, then Brightness and Contrast. Then increase the contrast slider to make the dark areas darker and light areas lighter, creating a more dramatic look. And once you're satisfied with the black and white conversion, save your image by clicking File, then Export As, then choose the file format like JPEG or PNG. And that's it! You've successfully converted a colored image into black and white in Photopea. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.